Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain to Google Sites using the 2026 layout. First, open your site and click Publish, then Manage, and choose the Custom Domain option. Click Start Setup, select Use a domain you already own, then type your domain name. If the domain is from Google Domains, it verifies automatically. If it's from GoDaddy or Namecheap or any other provider, Google will give you DNS records to add. You'll see a TXT verification record and a few A records that point your domain to Google's servers. Just copy those and paste them into your domain provider's DNS settings. Once the records are added, go back to Google Sites and click Verify. When the domain connects, set it as your primary URL so visitors land on your custom website instead of the Google Sites default link. Open a new tab, type your domain, and your site should load. The SSL lock might take a few minutes to activate, but that's normal, and that's it. That's how to connect your custom domain to Google Sites for 2026. Thanks for watching.